Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to remove app name in iPhone home screen in iOS 18. In iOS 18, you can easily remove your app's name. To do that, first of all, make sure to update your iOS to iOS 18 and then go to your iPhone home screen and then just hard press on a blank space and then tap on edit at the top left corner and just tap on customize, and here you will get this your app icon settings. Just here select large. Once you selected large, you will see your app name have been successfully removed. As you can see, currently only app icons are showing. So that's how we can remove app name in iOS 18 on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.